George Walker. There's number 16, Bomb. To there's number 6, Morales. Inside pass. Out of bounds. Pin ball. 30 seconds on shot clock. There's number 6, Morales. Down to 10, mid-range, no good. 3-1-5. There's number 4, Paul Vita. Pass to the Jesus. Back to the Jesus. 15 seconds to shoot. Violation.
Para nakita ka ng highway.
There's number 6, Morales. To there's number 16, Roma. Mid-range, there's number 13, no good. But there's a foul on there's number... Jersey number 1, Castro. Basto. Still by Campbell. Morales. Jersey number 6. Fade away. Short. On the fade away rebound. Jersey number 21. Macano 5. Good again. Here by CJ, there's number 0. Inside pass to there's number 13. Back to TJ. 12 seconds to shoot. Down to 10. Still by Orpita. There's number 21. To Castro. It's still by Morales. 2-on-1 situation. Morales makes it off. Defensive by Morales.
Lebron, tawag ka.
Lebron, patawag na si Papa.
Jersey number 21.
Si Papa, hindi ikaw.
Si Papa.
Si Papa.
Justin. 2-0. 5 to shoot. Out of bounds. Jersey number 6, Morales. Turo. TJ. Inside pass, still by Orpita. There's number 21. Inside pass to Macano. Using a gun short. Put back. There's a foul. There's
Dito na lang po sa ilalim namin yan.
13. Foul, there's number 13.
Hindi na masarap na.
Oh.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Orbita, umalis ka dyan. Ano? Umalis ka dyan.
Rebound by there's number 0, TJ. 7 minutes and 35 seconds to play. Choron, there's number 16. Campbell, extra pass. There's a big speed, using the gun short. Rebound by there's number 13, Macano. Speed. 2-2 by Macano. 15 seconds to shoot. Morales played. Good for 2 by Morales. 7 minutes exactly.
Yan sana.
Jersey number 1, Castro. 15 seconds on shot clock. Orpita. Down to 10. Jersey number 21. Back to Castro. Time to shoot. Mid-range jumper. No good. Rebound by Jersey number 13 for Morales. 2-on-1 situation. Morales takes it off. 2 points by Morales. This is 15 seconds on shot clock. Torreon, there's a 14 foul to Macano. 8 seconds to shoot. Here's number 6, Morales. Rebound by Rod. Morales fires.
Lolo ko naman, kanina pa ako pinutang-pinutang.
9-2 official score in favor of Team PG.
Yung anak mo.
Jersey number 21. Open time 15 seconds to shoot. To Castro. Jersey number 1. To open time 10 seconds to shoot. It's Pinay. It's Pinay by jersey number 13. Publico. Basket foul by Publico. Foul on jersey number 21, Orbita. Bonus shot for Publico. Bonus shot is good. Ten-point lead by both teams. Jersey number 6, Morales. TJ took the foul to the team. Rebound by Rod. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket down by Combo. Foul on Jersey number 4.
Kanan. Mandatory.
Mandatory substitution. Bonus shot for Combo.
Kailan?
Iwan lang ano. Iwan lang yung trial. Kaya mo yata. Kaya mo ba? Yummy! Ano? Kuha na kami baso. Ilyalo na kami dito eh. Pag na-shoot ka ba? Pag na-shoot. Hindi, bonus lang. Pag na-shoot sub.
Line violation. Substitution.
Sorry, boss.
Kasali daya.
Jersey number 22. Kyle, the 10 extra passes from the fire. Rebound by Boston. Perez. Jersey number 13. Perez needs a pass. Timeout. White ball. 4 minutes and 58 seconds to play. Jersey number 22. Kyle. The 10, there's a foul on jersey number 7, Hassan. First personal foul and a breaking foul committed by jersey number 7. 15 seconds on shot clock. Inside pass. Keep out from the fire. Free by Sophomore. To the top, extra pass to just number 20. Good for 2 by jersey number 20. Jersey number 22, Kyle, to 10. Close it up, 4 points for 10. For minutes in the country, Clemente fires. Jersey number 22, 15 seconds on shot clock. Kyle mid-range jumper, no good, rebound by Pahita, looking at that, no good. Boston with the rebound. To Clemente, extra pass, Reyes. To Boston, spin, 2.5, Boston.
Parang si Tito Marbs.
Jersey number 22. Inside pass, 10 mid-range, good for 2 by jersey number 17.
Timeout na kayo.
Rivera, Rodriguez. Clemente, 15 seconds to shoot. Alvarado, same ball with 14 seconds on shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Hassan Hayes. Put back to by Rivera. Jersey number 22, Payano. To take down. Mid-range, using that short. Hit by Redcon. Jersey number 20, Rivera. To rail. 2 minutes and 30 seconds to play.
Tingnan si Jeff.
There's 15 seconds to shoot. Clemente. Inside pass to Hassan again. Jersey number 22, Payano. Good 10 seconds on shot clock. 10 inside pass. 2 points for Jersey number 22.
Drop!
2 minutes. Jersey number 23, Clemente. Clarius, 10 seconds to shoot. Clarius using the glass 2 points for Raiders. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Jersey number 22, Kyle, with 15 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 17, 10. Inside pass to jersey number 10, after no good. Rebound by Rivera to Clemente. To a situation number 22. To 22 by Clemente. 10 high. Rock back in the rebound. Jersey number 23. Clemente lays it up. 2 points. Team of Patsy. With 1 minute
Oras hindi uminto.
and 58 seconds to play. 29 to 11 against the team of Kiggy.
Ano ba sa blue? Sao? Cambio na lang tayo. Game na.
Sino nag-time out?
Top to the ball game with 58 seconds to play.
May dala akong suwan templado. Gawa yun ng airmat ni Mrs. Bumili ako. Dala ako. Sarap yun.
Jersey number 8, Koho, to 10.
Hindi ko alam saan ilagay ni Hans eh.
To foul, 15 seconds to shoot. 10, extra pass to Koho. Rebound by Redcon. To Hassan, jersey number 7. To Rivera, short. Jersey number 22, Kyle. 30 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot.
Dale.
Shot clock is off. 18 seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. Count to 10. That's 1 5. 5 seconds to play.
Ang galing mo, Conrad! Nakakataw mo na dapat.